Hi friends, today I am with the Amazon's most popular device which is known as Fire Stick, and this is the Fire Stick 3rd gen. It comes with a few apps and we will also talk about what are the box contents. We will have a little bit comparison with Fire Stick Lite, and I will tell you what is the difference in the box content or maybe what you are getting different in both them. Now coming to this, the Fire Stick 3rd gen is available for 4999. Definitely check out in the great Amazon sale and other festive offers. You might get a little bit more discount on this. Coming to the box, it is pretty much similar what we have seen in the first generation and second generation Fire TV stick, and it comes in the orange color box. Here you can see the pricing, and the pricing is actually 4999. Again repeating the same thing. Coming to the remote, it comes with the Alexa support, which we haven't seen in the other generation. So this is definitely the one of the major upgrades what we can see. Right now I'm peeling up the tape, and inside the box what we get, there is the Amazon Fire Stick 3rd gen. This is the remote which comes with the Alexa support. This is the 3rd gen remote. There is also HDMI cable, and there is a power adapter, USB cable, and there is also AAA batteries and a power adapter. So this is the power adapter, as you can see, and there is also the AAA charging battery. This is a user guide. I will definitely recommend you to check that before using. Coming to the Fire Stick Lite and Fire Stick 3rd gen, you can see most of the things are similar. It also, the Fire Stick 3rd gen comes with the Dolby Atmos support, and in the remote you are getting a Alexa button dedicated in the 3rd gen, where it was not present in the Lite. You can see the booklets are also different for Lite and the 3rd gen. The coming to the remote, here is a very distinctive thing. In the Lite you don't get a dedicated remote for Amazon Prime, Netflix, Prime Music and apps, but you get them in the 3rd gen. Rest each and everything looks pretty much same. Coming to the price point, there are three generation of Fire Stick present, which includes Fire Stick 3rd gen, there is Fire Stick Lite, and there is Fire Stick 4K, and there is also Fire TV Cube, which we have already done a video. I will give the link in the description section, so definitely check that out. There is Fire Stick Plus, and this is basically the Fire Stick 3rd gen with some preloaded apps, and you are getting some offers on the apps, so you can check this one if you want to get the bundle apps together with the Fire Stick 3rd gen. Coming to the installation, it is very easy. Plug the HDMI extender into your TV, and in that connect the Fire Stick, and after that put the power source through the Fire Stick. So this is very easy. Once you do that, it will go and download the latest software. It will first ask you to set up the Wi-Fi. Once this Wi-Fi is being set up, it will install the new updates. It will take some time, so be patient. If you have already an Amazon account, just go and do sign up with that, and once it is activated, it will ask you to have a parental control or not. You want to enable the data to check how much data has been consumed for the Fire TV. You can check that also. When the volume is being controlled or not properly, Fire TV volume can be up and down and expected. So this is how it can be done. You can install all the apps which you required, like Netflix, Lionsgate, Play, Alt, Balaji, NDTV. Even the Apple TV is already coming, so you can install that too. Here is the data enabling model, and after that you can have the experience. After doing all this, it will ask which account to use, and once that is done, you can go and directly install all the apps. If you require separately, just put the ID and password. And the interface is pretty much new, what we have seen in the Fire Stick Lite. In this also, you can go and install the application, you can uninstall them, manage them. It is very easy. It will take some of the time. It is only one time users. Even if the internal storage, you can see it is actually 8 GB, and where you are getting around 5.45 GB of storage. So this is what we are getting in the apps. In the settings, you can go and check out the notifications, the account and profile, the network. If you want to switch the internet network, even if you have a Wi-Fi, and if you want to switch into tethering, that can be done also very easily. If you want to uninstall any app, here I am showing you how to uninstall it. It will take few seconds, so it is also not a lengthy process. Now coming back again to the settings, if you go to the remote and Bluetooth devices, here is the Amazon TV remote. There is a little bit small update. It will take 1 or 2 minutes for your time and it will update your remote. So I will definitely recommend you to update your remote once you get it. If it is done, it is very easy. It will show you the update has been done on your Amazon Fire Stick remote. I have done some of the Alexa commands given to the Fire Stick and I will show you how the TV responds for the same, and you guys can check it out also. Alexa, what is the temperature today?
Right now, it's 25 degrees Celsius.
Alexa, will it rain tomorrow?
It might rain in Bilaspur tomorrow. There's
Alexa, play खतरों की खिलाड़ी season 11.
Here are some results.
Alexa, open Woot.
Here's what I found.
Alexa, open Hotstar.
Here's Hotstar.
Alexa, decrease the volume. Alexa, increase the volume. Alexa, open Sony Live.
Here's Sony Live.
While giving the Alexa command, just press the Alexa button for that time. It has forward, pause and play, it has rewind. It also comes with the options home button, back button. It comes with the live TV. Even you can change your volume up and down with mute also. It has Prime Video's dedicated button. You can press that and go to the Prime Video. Even you have the Prime Music. You just press that and the Prime Music will be there. There is also apps dedicated button. So these are the things what you are getting in the Amazon Fire Stick 3rd Gen. Fire Stick is a very good device if you having a normal TV and you want to convert it as smart TV. This is definitely the to go option. And if you have an old smart TV where the apps are not supported, it is not getting any updates, then also the Fire TV is a good option. If you talk about the Fire TV 4K, it is also available if you have a 4K TV, and if you want to spend a little more with you don't want to use a remote, then Fire TV Cube is also a very good option, and they are with a different price segment. I have also already showed you the price, and I will definitely recommend you right now that great Amazon festive sale and other sales are coming. You should check the Amazon devices. You will definitely get some good offers with this. So this is all about in this video. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us. Thank you.